As you can see, when I sketch a line, a dimension previews as I sketch. Before clicking to complete the line, I'll type in the desired length on my keyboard and press Enter. The line snaps to the defined length, and the line command stays active so I can continue sketching. To activate numeric sketch input, right-click in Edit Sketch Mode and toggle the option from the top of the menu. I could also access System Options, Sketch, and check the related option if desired. But I prefer the quickness of the shortcut menu method. Once active, you can define geometry dimensions as you sketch. I'll sketch a rectangle this time to illustrate. After I click to define the first corner, I'll type in a dimension for the first side. Then I'll press the Tab key to switch to the second side. Enter a value, and press Enter. Note that although the rectangle is created at exactly the dimensions I wanted, it can still be resized by dragging and is not yet fully defined. To actually attach dimensions as you sketch, you'll need to toggle the Add Dimension option in addition to numeric sketch input. This can be done from the shortcut menu as well. Note the same option can be checked from the Property Manager if you prefer. When I sketch a line with Add Dimension active, the dimension is automatically attached. I can enter the value as I type, or create the line first, and then edit the attached dimension. Using numeric sketch input and Add Dimension can certainly increase your efficiency when sketching, but it's up to you to decide which method of sketch